Okay, sit, sit, sit. Okay, sit, sit. Good sit, good sit. Pretty quick video today. Good morning, Doak cooks. I was just processing some chicken, but I have a thought. Mainly from one of my previous videos where I've shared with you all that when you're processing your chicken and you get down to your wings, be sure when you are ziplocking and you are using your Sharpie to mark your Ziploc bags that you're marking how many wings you are processing. So how many wings in a bag, you know. That was, again, a throwaway comment on an older video, which shouldn't matter. But I just picked up 2 blister packs of chicken wings, which I always get from my local grocer. And as I've mentioned to all of you, I'm going to mark how many wings are inside of this bag. Yeah, only 10. So not even a baker's dozen, which is 14. 12. 12 is a dozen, so I'm getting at. A dozen chicken wings, that's a normal. That's only 10. So I'm like, you know, sure, I've gotten 10 before. I've gotten 8. I mean, big deal. I mean, that's cool. And then I did another blister pack. And these were 10 as well. So stay with me. I'm not trying to get conspiracy theory here, but because we are in a situation currently globally where we have higher grocery prices or higher perceived grocery prices, or has my butcher begun reducing the number of chicken wings offered because a dozen or 12 would be so much more expensive than 10? And so because I don't notice, he's only going to put 10 in here instead of the normal 12, and I'm not going to notice the price difference, meaning being the same price with less chicken. Again, I'm not trying to be too, tin foil hat crazy here, but I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll have to keep an eye on that. And frankly, I'm too lazy and I'm not smart enough to keep the math in my brain. So next time I go to the grocery and I pick up some wings, we're going to look and see if it's 10, 12, 14, who knows. All right, buddy, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. It's storming here, so I'm not sure what we're going to do. I will not be on the grill, but yep. All right, have a great weekend, rest of the weekend, everybody. I will see you guys next week.
I got a broken fist. I got a